If apps keep automatically downloading onto your iPhone without your permission, it's no problem because that's just a setting in your iPhone. I'll walk you through exactly how to find it and turn it off. So the first thing you're going to do is hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps at the bottom. And next, we'll tap on App Store midway down. From here, it's a setting that allows you to automatically download apps. This is usually the case if you have an iPad that you downloaded the app, and it will automatically download it then onto your iPhone. So you can see on here, it says app downloads. If this is turned on, it says automatically install free and paid apps purchased on other devices. In addition to that, app updates automatically install new app updates. So if you don't want that to happen and those are toggled on, all you need to do is just toggle both of those off, and now you can manually update those apps whenever you choose to do so. And if you want to learn more about your iPhone and master your iPhone, I would highly recommend checking out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too.